To register the pump air controller, or PAC, it must not already be connected to a pulse system. If the PAC detects that it is already connected to a pulse network, it will fail to register. With your hub in discovery mode, press and hold the mode button on your PAC. This will put it into work offline mode. There is a brief pause before the solenoid turns on. To register the device, press and hold the mode button to enter pulse mode. The lights will come on, and once the registration process begins, you will observe that the blue light starts blinking. Once the registration process is completed, the blue light will become solid. Please note that it may take a few minutes for the connection error to clear, as noted by the red light, as it will be waiting for a message from the hub to validate that it has an active connection.